Hey everyone, what's up? It's Anna. So let's talk about something so many of us struggle with: stubborn fat that just won't seem to budge, no matter how many diets you've tried or how many hours you spend working out, running, and doing all that stuff. If that sounds familiar, then you're gonna want to hear about something that's been making a big difference for a lot of people. It's called Mitolyn, and maybe you have already heard of it. So Mitolyn has already helped thousands, from people in their 20s to people in their 80s, finally break through those frustrating weight loss plateaus. It does this by naturally giving your metabolism the boost it needs so your body can burn fat more efficiently. And the best part, you don't need to starve yourself, do endless hours of cardio, or take anything risky for your health. I know how discouraging weight loss can feel. You do everything apparently right. You eat clean, you work out, but the scale barely seems to change. It's exhausting, and honestly, it can kind of feel hopeless. That's exactly why Mitolyn has become such a game changer for so many people. Instead of forcing you to restrict more or train harder, it works with your body to help you see real sustainable results. So what makes Mitolyn different from all those other supplements out there? First, it's made right here in the USA in an FDA registered GMP certified facility. That means every bottle is produced with the highest quality and safety standards, so you know exactly what you're getting every time. Inside each serving is a very unique blend of natural plant-based ingredients like maki berry, rhodiola, amla, and theobroma cacao. And you guys, these aren't just trendy extracts. They were carefully chosen because they help speed up your metabolism, support fat burning, and boost your energy levels. Plus, Mitolyn is soy-free, it's dairy-free, non-GMO, and tested for quality and purity, so you can feel good about what you're putting into your body every day. The best part is that there are no harsh chemicals or weird side effects, just clean, natural support to help you look and feel your best. Many people notice changes within the first few weeks: more energy, feeling lighter, and finally feeling back in control of their weight, but it is recommended to follow the recommended course of 3 to 6 months. And here's something that I think is really amazing. Mitolyn actually comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it for like 3 whole months completely risk-free. If you don't love your results, you can ask for your money back. It really is that simple. So one last important thing that I do need to point out to help you guys: if you are thinking of trying Mitolyn, make sure you get it from the official website. It really is the only way to guarantee that you're getting the real thing with all the perks and, of course, that guarantee. I have added the link down below to make it easy for you guys to find. So don't wait, take charge of your weight loss journey today and see how Mitolyn can help you feel your best. Thank you guys for tuning in, and here's to a healthier and happier you. Bye.